my life, no drama. In my life, no drama. Lord, I need you closer. Need blessings, need favor. More blessings, more favor. Dance for the Lord. Sing praise to the...
Hi guys, it's Kevin here and I'm back again with another video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use, or my sister in this video actually, how she uses our turmeric body scrub or facial scrub with our turmeric oils and soap. So I'm not gonna be talking too much because the video itself is self-explanatory and we're just gonna be watching, and when necessary I'm gonna be coming in and out explaining what's going on with the video. So I hope you guys will enjoy. I hope you guys can please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of videos planned for this channel here. So the very first thing my sister is doing in the video, she's actually using Kglow facial brush, which is available on our website. As in today, Sunday, March 28th, you can get yourself one. Our website is under the description box below. And she's using the brush to apply the scrub all over her face. Guys, it's really important to apply a good amount where you have either scars, acne scars, blemishes, hyperpigmentation, or dry skin. So that's what my sister is doing right now. She's applying it on her T-zone, and yeah. So the Glow facial brush has two sides. So right now she's using the brushing side to massage the scrub all over her face. So you have to do it in slow motion and circular motion, so that it's not too harsh on your skin. And the good thing about the brush is that it's in silicone, so it's really gentle, really soft. So that's what she's doing. She's massaging the scrub all over her face so that it can get into your pores and really cleanse through. Please take the time with this step, guys, because this is the step where you're exfoliating the scrub inside of your skin, through your skin. So you really don't want to just do it quick and all, but take your time. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward this part so that we can just enjoy, and yep. After a few minutes, my sister is here rinsing the scrub off of her face. I think she kept it on for like 5 minutes, but you can keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes depending on how sensitive your skin is. Okay, so she's washing it off, and make sure you really take your time and use lukewarm water to wash your face off. Okay. Alright, so right now my sister is going to be using our turmeric soap, which is not yet launched on our website. We're taking the time to really test it out before we put it on the website. So yeah, but she's using it on her face, which works really, really good, guys. Like, this soap is amazing. I can't wait for us to finally launch it because it's helping a lot. It's helping a lot. So she's using it on her face, as you guys can see. Now my sister is using the Glow facial brush to brush the soap on her face. She's gonna do that for a few minutes. Remember, I told you guys, please take your time with this step. With the body scrub or the facial scrub, she was exfoliating, and right now she's cleansing with our turmeric soap. Okay, so like I said, the soap is not available on our website yet, but keep an eye open on our Instagram page to see when we're going to launch it. All right, once again with lukewarm water she washed the soap off her face, and now she's technically going to take a towel, a face towel, to kind of just go through all the the stains from the turmeric, because if you guys didn't know, turmeric does stain. So she's kind of just going through with the towel to remove all the excess stains from the turmeric, and then after that she's going to moisturize her face with Kglow turmeric facial serum. This one as well is not available yet, but very soon it's going to be launched. So keep an eye open on our Instagram page, which is Kglowline, and everything, every detail will be announced over there.